This is how to create professional looking captions in CapCut. I am Edney. This is Edney Studios. Let's get started. So I'm going to use this short clip. So this is the clip we are going to use.
Editing like this isn't that hard, but it takes a lot of precision to accomplish good results.
Okay, so to create a caption, you come down to this text, then auto caption. So you can put it on all if you have multiple video audios and you want to generate captions for all of them. So you click generate or tap on generate. So it will generate a caption for you. So it has generated a caption for us. So we can edit the caption. So it's ideal that every 3 words you make it a new caption, so that the caption will be shorter and more engaging, I think. So kind of every 3 words we create a caption, we make it a 3-word caption. So now click on one of the captions and then style. So we want to get a style for the animation, but first let's go to the font. Let's choose the font we want. So I like this Montserrat font, so I will use this. Now let's go to style. So Montserrat font, style. Here we increase the text a little, just a little. Then the animation for the caption, come here too. Come to animation and come to caption. So they have something like this. See how this is. They have this type also. And then there are a lot of captions that you can play with, a lot of captions, but I think something like this is not too bad.
Editing like this isn't that hard, but it takes a lot of precision to accomplish good results.
So there are a lot of styles you can work with and get amazing results. So check them out, and that's pretty much how to create a caption for free. I hope this video was helpful. Like, subscribe, and comment what other thing in CapCut you want to learn next. I am Edney, and I'm out.